Best Rebounder Trampolines UK. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something special for you. We're going to talk about the best fitness trampolines of 2024 for home exercise. We tried and tested these trampolines tirelessly to find the best ones for you. If you want to know which trampoline is perfect for you, stay tuned. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos. Let's get started. Are you looking for a fun and effective way to exercise at home? Fitness trampolines, also known as rebounders, are an excellent option. Today, we're reviewing the best fitness trampolines of 2024, including brands like Bellicon, Boogie Bounce, Fit Bounce, and Opti. Let's bounce right in. What exactly do fitness trampolines do for you? The benefits range from improved heart health to better balance. According to Diana Van Heerden, head of fitness at Frame Workout Studios in London, fitness trampolines provide really effective cardiovascular exercise and strengthen your lower body muscles at the same time. A trampoline also forces you to engage your core, helping improve your balance and coordination, while strengthening your pelvic floor muscles as an added bonus. Here are our top 5 fitness trampolines for 2024. Bellicon, from £539, rated 10 out of 10. We like its super stylish design and full customizability to your needs. However, it is considerably more expensive than its counterparts. Boogie Bounce, £119, rated 8 out of 10. It includes all the accessories you might want. But it's not the most stylish option. Bounce, £150, rated 8 out of 10. It's easy to fold away and store. However, it's slightly smaller than others. Fit Bounce Pro 2, £336, rated 9 out of 10. We like its sturdiness and very quiet bounce. However, it's not as stylish as others in its price range. Opti, £40, rated 7 out of 10. It's a great budget option, but it doesn't fold away. When choosing a fitness trampoline, Diana Van Heerden suggests looking for a mat that's thick but not too tight. Most modern trampolines use bungee cords instead of metal springs, which can hurt if you accidentally step on them. Also, make sure to measure your space before ordering, as trampolines can be quite large. The best ones for home use are usually foldable for storage. I tested the Bellicon, Opti, and Boogie Bounce trampolines at home, using workout videos of around 20 minutes each. I attended a 45-minute bounce class near me to try out its trampoline. For the Fit Bounce Pro, I enlisted Sarah Weston, who teaches her own Pop Jump Wimbledon rebounder classes, to share her thoughts. My experience with each trampoline. Bellicon, the first thing that struck me was its stylish design. The colorful bungees brightened up my living room. I tested it with a dance cardio video from Bellicon's online training platform. The mat felt strong, and the bungees were perfectly calibrated to my weight and fitness goals. Boogie Bounce, although it took a bit longer to set up, I loved the included accessories like grippy socks, a workout DVD, and a T-bar handle. It's compact and easy to transport, though not as elegant as the Bellicon. Bounce, I attended a local class and was impressed by the rebounding community. The trampoline is sturdy and easy to store. However, I felt it needed a bit more room for my feet, which I'm sure would improve with practice. Now, let's answer some frequently asked questions. What's the difference between a trampoline and a fitness trampoline? Unlike children's trampolines, fitness trampolines are designed for indoor use. They're generally smaller in diameter and come with short legs. They should be light enough to carry, with foldable models being the lightest. Make sure to set them up on a non-slip surface for safety. How do you exercise on a trampoline? There are plenty of workout videos on YouTube. Diana's Frame Workout Studios also offer on-demand classes. Start with a basic bounce, then progress to static squats, jumping jacks, and heel digs. Once you're more experienced, add in some tuck jumps. How many calories does a trampoline burn? The number of calories burned depends on factors like your weight, muscle mass, and metabolism. A 30-minute trampoline session burns the same number of calories as a 30-minute run. Before we wrap up, a quick shout out to our sponsor, BESTE-REBOUNDER-Trampoline.com. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a creative mind, BESTE-REBOUNDER-Trampoline.com is the perfect platform to find the best deals on trampolines. Easy to use, regular discounts, and exceptional customer support. Get started today at BESTE-REBOUNDER-Trampoline.com. Your dream trampoline is just a few clicks away. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Also, check out the links in the description for more information on the best fitness trampolines. Happy bouncing!